Hello guys! Today, ituturo ko sa iyo how to earn in Golden Expedition. So guys, kinilik ko tong store. And from here, ayan, for example guys, dito tayo sa shovel. So, $10 siya. And then number of days, 1. So in 1 day, pag na-accumulate na natin tong 1 day, so times natin siya. Total mining income is 13. So from 5, bigyan ko kayo ng actual computation guys ha. So 56 times natin sa 13. So, ito na yung potential income sa shovel. So, next, dito naman tayo sa pickaxe. Yan. So, $68 siya for 7 days. In 7 days, guys, ito na, total mining income is 101.32 from 60. From 68 to guys, naging 101.32. So, compute ulit natin. So, 56 times 101.32. So, ito na yung capital natin. 5,673.92. Okay, next. Proceed tayo. So, guys, for pickaxe naman, diamond point and end. So, $310 siya. So, magra-run siya for 10 days. So, from 310, total mining income niya is $480.50. So, times natin siya, guys. Actual computation tayo ulit. So, 56 times 480 equals, so, meron na tayong 26,808. Ito na yung overall capital natin. So, next, dito naman tayo sa Forge Ads Peak. So, $1,290 siya guys for 20 days. So, for 20 days, yung total mining income natin is $1,806. So, actual computation ulit tayo. 56 times 1,806 equals, ito na yung overall capital natin, 101,136. So, yun guys, per tool natin, pataas siya ng pataas. So, dito naman tayo next, pick matok. So, $4,500. Number of days, 30. So, for 30 days, total mining income natin is 5,850. So, compute ulit natin yan guys. 56 times 5,850 equals 327,600. 1,600 overall capital. So next, so guys, madali lang naman siyang i-analyze, no, kasi more on computation lang naman siya. So next, bulldozers, $6,000. So for 45 days naman ito. So sabi, for 45 days, total mining income niya is 9,240. Grabe guys, ang taas. Pataas tayo ng pataas. 9,240 times 56 equals 517,440 total capital natin guys. Okay, so next, dito naman tayo sa backhoe, $8,000. So for 60 days naman ito. So total mining income natin is 12,800 for 60 days. So computein ulit natin guys ha. 56 times 12,800 equals, yan, 716,800 total capital. Okay? So next, high wall miners, $11,500. So for 70 days naman siya. So total mining income natin is 17,940. Actual computation ulit tayo guys. So 56 times 17,940 equals, so 56 times 17,940 guys is 1,464,000. So guys, pataas tayo ng pataas. So next, the $15,000 power shovel naman to guys. Number of days 90. So total mining income for 90 days is 24,440. So let's do the math ulit. So 56 times 24,450. So guys, ito yung overall capital natin. So 1,369,200. So guys, pataas tayo ng pataas kasi pataas din ng pataas yung value ng mga tool natin. So yan, actual to guys. Diba? Ang laki. So next natin is bucket wheel excavator. So $24,000 for mag-run siya for 120 days. So ang total mining income niya lang naman ay 41,280. Grabe guys, sobrang taas. So let's do the math ulit. 56 times 41,280, 2,311,680. Grabe guys, sobrang taas. So yan lang guys yung value or income na pwede nating kitain for every tool natin. So yun guys, ito naman yung table chart natin. So potential income natin to per tool. So yan yung kaninang in-explain ko. So tool equipments, purchase price, tool duration, potential mining per hour, total mining income, and pag kinonvert natin sa peso. So dito naman ipapakita ko kung paano tayo kikita sa pag-share lamang ng ating referral ID link. So sa light tools muna tayo, shovel, 3% referral commission based on your downline profit. Next is pickaxe, round point and end, 3% referral commission based on your downline profit pa rin. Next is we have pickaxe, diamond point and end, 3% referral commission. Next, forge adds peak, 3% referral commission pa rin. Next, pick matok, 3% referral commission. Next guys, dito tayo sa heavy equipment. We have the bulldozer, 5% referral commission. Ito namang backhoe, same lang din, 5% referral commission based on your downline profit. And we have highway miners, 5% referral commission or high wall miners. Power shovels, 5% referral commission. And last, bucket wheel excavators, 5% referral commission. So, konting recap lang guys. Overall, for light tools, we got 3% referral commission based on your downline profit. And for heavy equipment, 5% referral commission based on your downline profit. So, dito guys, makikita na natin difference ng light tools sa heavy equipment tools. So, guys, pwede nyo silang i-check every now and then. And also guys, ito wag nyo kakalimutan, don't forget to share your referral ID link to get unlimited passive income. Happy mining! Thank you! See you on our next video.